But sometimes I might go a little bit over, probably just over, not under, but... Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jen here. I hope you're all well. As you can see from the title of the video, today I'm bringing you a what I eat in a day video. I just want to preface this by saying that I'm not a nutritionist and I will be talking about calories in this video. I'm on a bit of a weight loss journey at the moment. I'm trying to lose about a stone. So if you get triggered by this sort of thing, just click off the video because again, I will be talking about food and calories and all that sort of thing. But other than that, let's jump right into it. So for breakfast you would have seen me prep it, and you probably saw from my other video if you watched my morning routine video, I've been sticking to the same breakfast for a while now, and it basically contains fat-free yogurt and strawberries and blueberries, muesli and a bit of honey, and this is what it looks like. And I also have a coffee, so just a plain instant coffee with sugar and frothed up milk. I also like to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon because why not? And yeah, this is my breakfast, and a big cup of water. And I've just basically been having this every single day. It's about 200 calories and it keeps me full until lunch, and it's especially good for a hot summer's day. It's not summer yet, it's spring, but it's literally the hottest day in the UK right now. Can't really see very well because the blinds are sort of closed, but it's so hot. It's about 22 degrees. I also wanted to say that I've been doing this calorie counting sort of thing for about 2 months now. I've done this in the past and it works for me. It might not work for you, and everyone's calories are different, so you just need to check. I personally use the FitnessPal app. I can input how much exercise I do. I try to do a little bit of exercise, even if it's just walking every single day. So I'll put my workout that I've done today now. So you have to just input all your activities and your height and weight, and then how much you want to lose in what sort of period of time, and then it just works it all out for you. There are other ways, there are other calculators. You just look it up on Google to tell you how much you should be eating. I personally eat about 1,490, tend to just stick to that, but sometimes I might go a little bit over, probably just over, not under, but yeah, you get what I mean. Just as a guide, so I can have an idea of what I need to eat to actually lose some weight. I'm doing it the slower way. There are faster ways, which that means you probably have to eat less, But I don't really want to do that, because if you're going from eating too much and then you suddenly eat very little, I just don't think that would work for me. You probably would, but I don't think it would be a healthy way to do it. So I'd say just take your time, do it slowly. And I know hot girl summer is a real thing, but you don't want to rush it, because it's a lifestyle at the end of the day, and not just a diet that you're gonna do it for a period of time and stop. In my situation anyway. But yeah, just thought I'd mention it. And this is it. I'm just gonna have this now, and I'll see you guys at lunchtime. So guys, it's now lunchtime and I'm gonna have a salad, and all you need is some tomatoes, celery, cucumber, peppers, some romaine lettuce, spinach, and I use this salad cream light, and I also add eggs in it. I'd say it's a very light meal, but I would normally not have either lunch or breakfast, so this makes sure that I have all the nutrition throughout the day, all my fruit and veg. And it's also very light because I tend to have my lunch really late, so I don't want to be too full for dinner. And yeah, it's really easy, and it's also about 300 calories. I bring it up to 400 by adding nuts to it. So I know I said that I was gonna use the salad cream, but I decided that today I wanted to use some hummus. So I just put about a spoonful of hummus in my salad. This is not all for me, by the way, I'm sharing it with my partner. And the eggs are still getting boiled over here.
I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change.
Still going. Watching Emma's rectangle, and I had to go get more hummus. But yeah, so far so good. So everyone, it's dinner time now, and I'm not gonna be the one making dinner tonight. My partner Ryan's gonna be making salmon and rice. And yeah, it's his sort of recipe, so I'm just gonna show you what he's doing.
I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realign. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Can I leave it all behind? Follow all the leading signs. When the dark is growing and the light is closing in, tell me where you're going. Won't be a simple voyage.
Just sat down to have dinner. I've already tried some. It's amazing as always. Credits to Ryan. And we're just gonna be watching Better Call Saul on Netflix. As for drinks, I would normally have a Diet Coke, but I literally ran out the day before yesterday, so I need to get more of that because I basically have about one a day. But I will also have squash. This one is blackcurrant flavor. And the rest of the day I'll just have water, just plenty of water. I like to have either Diet Coke or squash with my dinner. Yeah, so this is dinner and I'll see you later when I have like dessert or something and a cup of tea because I can't survive without a good cup of tea. So it's now time for dessert, and yes, I'm here on the same spot. And I was very naughty yesterday. I baked a cake. I have the recipe, so I don't have a lot of cake, and I froze the rest, so I only had about 2 slices worth of cake, which I'm gonna be sharing with my partner. But this is what the cake looks like. Just a chocolate cake and some chai. I've been really loving having a cup of chai recently. I found the packs in Sainsbury's and they're just so good. I do love a normal, typical English breakfast tea, but this chai is also very nice and I've been really enjoying that lately. And this is gonna be my final meal for the day. I'll pop on the screen my calories for today and how many calories each meal was. And it's just an estimate. I just do like just an average estimate of what I think the food will be in calories. I've done this for quite a while now, so I have sort of an idea of how calorific the food will be. So I just sort of put whatever there and it'll be in that range. So as you can see, I've used up all my calories and that is it. And this concludes the video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Now see you next time. Bye bye.